It will happen Saturday. Those who want Saturday to happen, raise your hand. With PVC and everything. Mr. President, leaders of our party, our people are ready. They are ready, and on Saturday it will happen. We thank the leaders of our party, especially those from the Southwest, for forgiving the Ekiti people for the mistake they made in 2014. So they won't make that mistake again. If you marry 2 wives, you will know which one will be better. Fayose is the better wife. If they cook, they give husband food. You're not going to give her trouble. So you must bring back Fayose on Saturday.